Hello everyone, today I'll show you the best funnel builder of 2022. The link is in the description below. Click on that link and this will open the system.io sign up page, and on this page you just have to enter your email address. Just type in your email address, and once you are done with it, then click on the button just in front of it, and once you do it, you will be taken to this thank you page, and now it is telling you that you need to confirm your email address by clicking on the link. So open your email address, and here you will see a confirmation email from system.io. Open the email, click on the link, and here you are asked to create a new password that you'll use to log in. So create the password, confirm the password, and click on I'm not a robot, hit save, and once you save, you will be logged into your system.io account. Congratulations, now can use your system.io free for lifetime to build funnels.